So I stands for isolation in ACID property. So when two transactions are executing at the same time on the same row, there can be several read and write issues. I have created a dedicated playlist on that. Please do watch that before continuing this video, because that is a essential thing for you to understand before understanding isolation. What isolation does is, isolation helps in resolving those read and write issues. So assume transaction T1 and transaction T2 are operating at the same time on the same row. Then in that case, it is a parallel execution, but to the customer as well as from a database perspective, these transactions should be executed sequentially one after the another and not at the same time. There are different isolation levels. Isolation levels are configurable. First is read uncommitted. When there is a read uncommitted isolation level set, in that case, the issue that we would be facing is dirty read. Again, what is dirty read? Please do watch in my read write issue video. Then the second thing is read committed. This is the default configuration of MySQL database. As part of read committed, the issue that you would be facing is non-repeatable read. Then the third one is repeatable read, which is a default configuration of a Postgres database. When you are setting repeatable read, the issue that you would be facing is phantom read. And finally is the serializable. The serializable is the topmost isolation level. Once you are setting this isolation level, if your application requires, then there won't be any read and write issue. But one thing you need to understand is, the higher isolation level you are setting, the more complex query the database has to execute, and because of that there is going to be the latency. So if the application demands, then you can use this isolation level. In the next video we will be looking into durability. Thanks.